Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do another how-to video. One of the subscribers that I have asked me if I would make a how-to video on how to make coffee. As you see here, we have essentials. First, you need your coffee beans. Next, grinder to grind the coffee beans up because they're a bitch to try to cook like that. Also, cup to put your coffee into when it's finished. Lastly, you need your coffee pot, water. As you see, we got 8 cups. So we're gonna have a good sized cup of coffee. First off, you take your beans, put it in your blender. Take it out, grab your beans, put it in your blender. You're ready. Take it. Now, press down, turn, left, right, it don't matter. Whatever you want to do. Pay no attention to the ends. Alright, now, fresh beans, right? Close enough, who the hell cares? Take the fresh beans, you add it into your cup. You know what? Screw this. Oh, that's not good. Take this shit. Better yet, grab your Keurig, grab your coffee, pre-made, stick it in, put your cup underneath it, hit the button. Look at this, automatic. How can you beat that? Freshly brewed coffee. Now, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If not, well, life will go on. And it'll go on a lot better than a fresh cup of coffee. Thanks again. Have a nice day.